Hi, I'm Mike. I'm with the Doctor's Toy Store, and today I want to talk about the Leo Minor surgical light. So this light is very maneuverable, and for the doctor that really wants the best kind of light that you can dim, and it has a lot of power, the Lux, this is a really good choice for him. Because this comes as a ceiling mount, and it's very maneuverable, and see how bright that is? And you can dim it and increase the lux. So if you're doing Mohs surgery or anything like that, you actually want to make sure that you have a good spot where you can do your Hansen flaps or anything like that, and surgery. So it's a really good light, and you have the autoclavable handpiece that you can pull out, and that's autoclavable. So that's a really nice thing to have on your surgical light in your office, and this is the way it moves around. Very, very bright, and we have it here at the Doctor's Toy Store. We have the duals and the singles. So give us a call at 877-DRS Toys today.